All right, we're back. Oh man, this is a very exciting moment. I'm not exactly sure what's going on with this box. This side's still taped with brown tape. This has all been like open and retaped. I'm not really sure. Hopefully it didn't explode. Whatever. Check the box. The box doesn't look like it's too damaged. I don't really understand. I think the box got torn out open and shipping. Because like some of this tape still it doesn't matter. I've been waiting 2 months for this. Now some of this is out of my is out of the control of people who have control. They got delayed in shipping with weather. I believe the powder coating may have been. Oh man. Yeah, I think the box exploded on the way. That's what happened. Oh man, there she is, kids. I mean, it's a bumper. I don't know how much damage you can do to it. Let me see if I can get this box out of the way. So this is a Bosman design. Ryan Bosman is the dude. I'm fairly certain the box exploded on the way. I can't imagine. Oops. That was the camera that just fell. Pick that up real quick. Can't redo the unboxing. So Ryan, if you watch this, I guess that's what happens to your package when it meanders to the world. The whole bottom's been retaped. Whatever, that's fine. So this is a pretty cool bumper. I'll tell the whole story here while we open it up. I saw this bumper. This is a premium product, by the way. This is not a made in China. This is made in America. Build. How do you describe it? As you order them, they build them. Does that make sense? I called the number originally back in September. Nobody answered. And then I hung up and leave a message. My phone rang a couple minutes later and there's someone like, you call this number? And I was like, yeah. It was the owner. The owner called me back. I chatted with him. Explained what I was up to. Decided that this would be the thing for me. He told me, he told me about the lead times in the building. I wasn't sure it was going to take quite as long as it did. I got some stickers here. We'll keep those. I assume I'm saying it right, Bosman. It took a little while longer than I thought. Unfortunately, I haven't been able to go riding because I don't want to go riding without my winch on. My winch mounts to this thing. So, okay. Paper in there, lots of saran wrap. Let's get a look at this bad boy. I just whack it. So it looks like maybe some mounting holes. I didn't go with the tabs up front because my plan is to never need to get pulled out. I'm doing the pulling out, right? Plus I was concerned with just a piece of smudgy something there. All right, first impressions. Welds look good. Powder coating looks pretty amazing. Let's see if we can get these. I'm sorry if this is boring. I don't even know if I'm in the shot right. Aim that down a little bit. So I tried to watch all the videos I could about these, and there wasn't really an unboxing video, so I was like, well, I could do that. I could do an unboxing video. Unfortunately, I was busy this weekend, so I didn't have a chance to prep the machine. I take the old bumper off. And last weekend I was doing firewood stuff. I was cleaning. Yeah, I was doing firewood stuff. Ready for the winter. Oh wow, it's really dusted it up on the backside. We'll show that here in a second. Hold please. Okay, let's take a look at this thing. Look at that bad boy. Woo! Look at that. That's going to be so sick. Oh yeah, buddy. The color match is pretty spot on. All right, let's look at the back of this thing. That's what you came for. We got gussets in here, hollowed out for weight savings, it looks like. I'll try to show it the best I can. We'll flip it around. Let me give it a whack. Yeah, that thing's sick. Look at that. Look at those angles. Let's look at the welds. I got bad light. Sorry, my phone's plugged in. Powder coating looks substantial. The welds are good. Got one pinhole there. It's kind of a bummer. Not sending it back. Oh, it's a bumper. Yeah, that's pretty legit. I'm pretty happy. It's all cut out on a CNC and welded up one at a time. I can't really get it exactly up because of this current bumper situation I got, but see if I can get it close for the mock-up. Well, that's the best I can do. Oh, man. All right. Well, that's the unboxing. Shout out. I mean, it is a handmade product, so there's going to be handmade things about it. That is stout. This is the winch I'm going to try to get on there. It's that Viper V2 4500 synthetic. I'm going to mount that bad boy up. Hopefully, I talked about it. He said, pretty sure it's going to fit. There's my fairlead. It's going to go. Let's cross our fingers. Oh, yeah. Sorry about the light. So that's how that's going to look. Yeah, pretty pumped. Pretty pumped. All right. I don't know what else to do in an unboxing video. There'll be more talking about this. I'm saying it's worth the wait. Little bummed I had to wait so long because I haven't really, with no winch, I'm not taking this thing off to crazy land. I was kind of hoping it'd show up maybe 2 weeks ago, but, whatever. It shows up when it shows up. I did call and talk to him, and he's like, hey, man, that's at the powder coaters, and he's a small fish in the world of powder coating, so that's what we're doing here. We got a couple more surprises coming your way. But, yeah, the bumper survived. That's great. 8 minutes. I mean, I don't know what else to do, what else to show. Hopefully I never crashed into anything. All right. My jubilation is complete. Stay safe.